Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for attending this webinar. Today, we will have one of our deeper dives into Dynaway EAM for Business Central, specifically the product that we develop for Business Central SaaS. And today is the 11th of May, and the subject of today is asset warranties. A short introduction to the speakers here. So the team today is Christoph. Christoph is our product team lead, heading up the BC product portfolio. I'm the person on the right, so my name is Mikkel, and I will be here to answer any questions you may have. So if you do have questions, please use the chat log in the GoToWebinar panel. Yeah, that was a very short introduction. It will be 20 minutes. It is recorded. It will be placed on the website like the other ones, but I'll hand it over to you, Christoph, so please take it away.
Thank you, Mikkel. To be honest, I don't know if we will spend all 20 minutes today on this topic, but that's also good. I just want to show you what we have, which feature we have, and what you can do. First, what I should start is that this is the part of EAM, and you don't need to install any additional app for that. But it's part of one of our paid plans, so please check which one. Because maybe you have it already in the license that you can just start using, or you just need to change your plan if you like the functionality. So what all about the asset warranties? The asset warranties allows you to add the warranties for the asset, track if the asset is under the warranty still, and also allows you to have a dialogue. If you have any issues, you can create a claims and to the vendor, and you can say, okay, what are the actions, what we did to fix the issue, let's say, if there is anything related to the warranty. So how it's look? Let's start from a very simple setup. So we need to do the setup for, in fact, 3 things in our asset management, and 2 of them is the numbering. So we need to have a number series for the warranties, and we also need to have a claims number of series. The last thing which we need for the warranty is how many days you would like to be notified. So when the warranty will be close to end, when we would like to be notified. So in this case, by default, we set up 30 days, but as you can see, you can just change it. Where we use it, I will show you in a second. So how to create an asset warranty, right? You can assign the asset to the warranty which already exists, but you also can create a warranty card directly from the asset warranties. So you can see that I have 2 warranties at this moment, but in this case, I will just create a new one. So let's say that we purchase the asset, we acquire the asset, and we also get the warranty, which will have some time, for example, 1 year. So let's create a warranty for my UV lamp. For example, I0, or maybe not, UV lamp is not the best one. I will show you on the planetary mixer. Okay, so as you can see, the status of my warranty is automatically set to active, but you can create your own statuses here and mark one as a default one. What we need to specify is what is the starting date of my warranty. So for example, let's say it is 1st of May. And expiration date, it can be 2 years, it can be 1 year, so you just need to set up it. And let's say that it will be till 31st of December. As you can see, the notification date is filled automatically, and this is because of those 30 days which we specify in the setup, but you also can change it when you would like to be notified. To those of you which can see the colors here, the green color means that our warranty is still not expired, so I see it on green, just to visualization that it's still not expired. If the expiration date will be if we will be already after notification date, then expiration date will change the color, and if we will already expire, the warranty will already expire, you also see a little different color. You can put the manufacturer here if it's needed, but you also can specify the vendor. So either you can use the vendor which you have already in the database. So if you acquire the asset, probably you already have such vendor, but you also can specify the name, address, and city just without specifying the vendor number. So in this case, I will just specify that graphic design, maybe that's not the vendor which normally would do the warranty, but as you can see, all the data is automatically filled for me. So what I can also do is I can specify which assets are under warranty under this particular card. And I have two options how to add the assets to the warranty. Either you can add one asset, so by adding the assets functionality, or I can add the asset already with the children. So my planetary mixer contains multiple children and a structure which has 3 different levels. So in this case, I can choose, let's say, my planetary mixer, for example, number 60. And you will see that all my planetary mixer parts are also under this warranty. So I can track that all of them, they also have a warranty. So that's how you create a warranty, right? But it may happen that we have also some claim for that, and we need to do something with it. So let's say that I like to send the planetary mixer, something is happening, and we will just want to register the claim. So I can create from here, create a claim. You can also do it directly from the asset card, right? So then you will have everything, all information added. You can put what is the next action date, expected completion date, and actual completion date, right? You also can see what is the vendor information, so to whom we in fact with whom we are talking, but you also can specify the events. So what we did to proceed with this claim, right? So I can say that the first thing which we did was email, right? So we email the vendor. And I can say that you can see that it's already say who created and by and when it was created. So we can also specify, okay, the next thing which we will do is an email, and we will do it, let's say, for this presentation today, but you can say, okay, we should do it, for example, on 13 on Friday. But let's send the not email, but now we will just phone to them, right? So you can add multiple such. We call and ask John of the status, right? So we can put multiple notes here, and we can say, okay, if that will not help, the next thing which we will do is a work order, right? And we will also do it today. John said that we will come and we will fix it, but you just need to also inspect, for example, if everything is okay. So we will just create a work order for that. Before I will create a work order, I just forgot to mention that you can assign documents to your claim, to your warranty, the same way as we are adding documents to any other place in the system. So I can upload the document here, but if I'm, for example, I'm using my phone, I'm using my tablet, and something is wrong, I can also take a picture, and then you can send those pictures also to your to your vendor, right? But we can create a work order, right? So as I said, you could choose the type which is work order. And as I also should mention, those types are something which you can set. So that's anything what you in fact are doing because of the claims. But one of those events we can set up as a work order event. So instead of putting manually the line that we are doing the work order, I can just create a work order directly from here. Right, so inspection after claim repair, right? And we just doing the inspection here. So let me just put that it's general inspection. You can mark if it's corrective maintenance or it's preventive maintenance. That's up to you. And we can just create a work order. So let me not open it from here. So I will just click finish. And as you can see on my claim, I already automatically get the type of work order, but I also have information what is the work order. So I can just go to my document work order, and you also from the work order you can see that this is on this warranty and this claim, right? So this is how you can do, and if we will post the consumption of my work order, it will also be you will be able to see it from the warranty. So you always can see what were my costs related to the warranty, if we had any, or what was the maintenance which we were doing under the warranty, right? For example, the company came and they just fix something. You can register that. You don't need to add additional cost to it, but maybe someone made an inspection after it, so you just can also register such costs. What I also would like to mention, so this is how you do the claims. You can then close them. For example, okay, my status is closed, but you also can see how many active claims we have on the warranty, how many assets we have under warranty. Okay, and we add some filters which will allows you to create easy work with the warranties. So you have few default filters on the asset warranty. For example, you have expired warranties, so you can filter all the warranties which will expire soon. Which are already expired, or you can see expiring warranties. So those are warranties which will expire. So the notification date is already after before today, and but it's still not expired yet. And you also can see if there are any warranties which have active claims. I don't have any, so I'm quite happy here. From the asset side, you also can see some things related to the warranty. I should mention that my asset can have one active warranty at this moment. So let's go to our asset 60, which I showed you and I added to the warranty. You can see on additional information, I have a warranty number and I have also expiration date, and as you can see, everything is okay here. I have it green, so that's working fine. I also get sometimes a question how to filter all the assets which are under warranty or they are already with expired warranty. That's very easy, but that's something which we didn't add like a default view here. However, you can very easily create such view. You can see that I have already here something which is called expired warranty, and that will show me all the assets which have the warranty which already expired. As you can see, it's red and italic, and I have that the warranty expired on the 31st of March this year, right? How I did it, such filter. So it's very easy, and you can just see the see the filter here, right? So I can create such filter if I want from scratch. So the first thing, you need to filter the assets which have warranty number different than empty. So this is simply filter. And as you can see, I would like to see all the all the dates which are less than today. How to do such filter that it will be dynamic filter? You can put two dots, and instead of putting today like the date, right, because that will be a static filter, I can put today. It means that system every day will treat this as today. So we'll see, we'll update every day the date to which we are filtering, and based on that, every day you can very easily set up see the assets which are already expired or which are near to expire. That's also possible. So that's how you can do it, and this is how the functionality of asset warranties works at this moment. And now back to you, Mikko.
Thank you, Christoph. A great presentation, and I hope it gave the visitors here a good insight to how asset warranties work. Of course, this is only just a subset of our EAM platform, so I really recommend that you also take a look at some of the other videos specifically here. So as you see it on the list, we have a long list of recorded on-demand webinars, which you can find in our video library on the website. And we're building that as we go along. So if we move to the next slide, you can see that we also have a few upcoming webinars on maintenance requests, which is of course a hot topic when we're talking about maintenance and the fact that you can have an additional extension within BC. So basically everyone with a BC license can go and request maintenance work. We also have another one on the 25th of May, which is specifically based on maintenance based on sensors. Also a very hot topic. And then we have resource allocation and scheduling on the 1st of June. And it doesn't mean that we'll end it after that, but we may have a short break. And also midsummer, we will have a new version coming out. So there will be some activities around that. So that was the very short version of it, almost 20 minutes anyway, even though we thought we would do it a little bit faster. But I hope you enjoyed the concept here of the video and the content. So I really hope to see you soon again, and wishing you a fantastic day. See you then. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.